How much cornstarch do I need to thicken whipped cream?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to discuss a simple but crucial topic: how to thicken whipped cream using cornstarch. This method is perfect for those looking to get a firm, stable whipped cream that will hold its shape for longer.
Why use cornstarch?
Before we dive into the process, it's essential to understand why we're using cornstarch. Cornstarch is a common thickening agent that's used in a variety of recipes. When used in whipped cream, cornstarch helps prevent the cream from deflating and losing its light, fluffy texture, especially if you're planning to use it for decoration or to top off your favorite dessert.
How much cornstarch do I need?
So, how much cornstarch do you actually need? The answer is quite simple. For every cup of heavy cream, you'll need to use 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. This ratio ensures that your whipped cream thickens just the right amount without making it too stiff or grainy.
How to add cornstarch to whipped cream?
When adding cornstarch to whipped cream, you should first mix it with a bit of the cream separately to create a slurry. This helps prevent lumps and ensures an even distribution of the cornstarch. Once your slurry is smooth, you can combine it with the rest of your cream and whip as usual until you achieve your desired consistency.
Tips for the best whipped cream.
1. Always chill your cream and tools. This helps the cream whip up more effectively. 2. Add sugar and flavorings, if desired. These can be added during the whipping process. 3. Don't overwhip. Overwhipping can lead to butter, so keep an eye on your cream and stop when it reaches stiff peaks. That's it. Now you know how to thicken whipped cream with cornstarch. With this simple technique, you can enjoy stable, delicious whipped cream that will enhance any dessert. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to helping you become a better home baker. Happy baking!